So hi guys, this is a video I promise. So basically first you need to have two PCs. They're both running OBS, one running they're both running OBS, no ND. Need it. So basically all you have to do is on your gaming PC, you have to get that you have to know the IP address of your streaming computer, which is my streaming computer and the IP address, okay? So then after that, streaming slash recording. So you go to stream, okay? Well, first you basically want to set up OBS. So for example, here I basically, since I'm using a Mac, I would change the video encoder to hardware encoder, and then change it to ABR, which is pretty good, which I found preferably found. Okay, then after that, I set this to 3,000 kilobits. You can set it higher, but you have to make sure your bandwidth can support it properly. I mean, your network bandwidth can support it. Then after that, I put this very fast, and then I press OK on there. Press apply. Then go to your stream setup right here, where it says Twitch. You go to where it says custom. On custom, you put your server. You put in STR, etc. Just go watch Nutty's video for that. I'm not going to go into detail for that, but if you put in the information here that you get from Nutty's video, you put it right here, press apply. Then on your streaming PC, you go to where it's that you go here. Nutty also puts a information inside of for like this. You basically go here, click add, create media source. Then once you create a new media source, you basically press here where it says local file, put into where it says input, press OK. Once you do that, you're done there. And then on your gaming PC, you press start streaming. And so once you start streaming, it would basically stream to this computer. And so, I mean, it will stream to the computer you have it on. And then to your streaming PC. Then for here, what I did was, since it's a millisecond behind, I mean, 3 milliseconds behind here, you click over here, you click where it says the mic you want to use to stream from, then you click on advanced audio profile. I'll put a 3 millisecond delay on this one because of that's how many frames behind it is. And I mean, so this basically syncs it frames up or down. If you put it negative, it puts it behind. If you put it above, it basically slows the audio down to 3 seconds. So which mine is. And then I make adjustments to audio on my streaming PC. I mean on my game PC. But I'm just using this as this isn't a game PC, this is my MacBook. And so going back here. So after this, sorry about the blinking. It is just the capture. It's the thing I'm using right there, which I'm gonna unplug. But after that, you adjust your audio here, where you're playing audio and stuff like that, and put in your sound. On Mac OS, I used the undeprecated one, which is audio capture and display capture, because with the Mac one, it was getting double audio. So there's that. And so this is how it will be. Then you press stream. Once you press stream, it would appear on your streaming PC. But the problem is, so I'll show you what it looks like. So when I press stream starts. Let me press the stream deck button right here. It would switch. Sorry. So see, as you can see, my MacBook. See, as you can see, there's a 3 millisecond delay. And so since I wouldn't be paying attention like this, I wouldn't notice it. But when I move this, it would be kind of okay. So now we just go back to here. So as soon as you press stream, it would basically stream. And then this is basically applies if you're on Mac. If you're on Windows, it's pretty much the same exact thing, but you have to use a what's that thing called? A shortcut. So let me just show you. So when I press this exit, I actually have this right here. So this command right here, basically you go to on here for on macOS, you go to applications, you go to obs.applications, obs.app, or wherever you store your applications, contents, macOS, OBS, and then you put disable, shut down, check, and start stream. And when you do actually that, you can just shut down this on computer, and OBS will start up properly again. Because the thing is, if you just close OBS without quitting properly, it will basically cause an error on next boot up. So you run this command right here, which is shut down check, which will basically make it so if you, for example, press Apple shut down or restart, it will, and you next time start OBS, it won't throw an error. And when this happens, you go to start stream, and so you put in start stream because I was using Keyboard Maestro trying to make a command that does this, that starts the stream, but it didn't work out properly. So basically I made a command file. That command file will then run this command right here, this command right here, inside of a command.file that you can create by basically, I'll show you. So you go to your file, you go to open with, I use BBEdit because it's easier. So now you basically delete this, and so this was what the file was. So now you just go Command V. So this is how it should look. Now I go File, Save, and now you go to Terminal and press Delete. You delete all this if you already had it in there. You just run it to just make sure it works. And so after that, you type in CHMOD space U plus X. So it should look like that, U plus X space. You drag the command file there to the terminal window. Then you go here, then press back one, then you press delete just so there's no space. Then you press enter, and it'll do actually that. So now, as you can see, OBS isn't open, and so when I double click command that, it basically opens up OBS streaming. So now, when I basically press number 3, it's just showing me streaming. And so it's not really a delay. So after that, if I want to show, let me go back to here. So, and now all you have to do is basically turn this into an Apple script. So now all you have to do is basically delete this, disable, oops, I pressed duplicate. So and now we go for here 30, so after 30 minutes we go 30 seconds. And now we type in, go here, because right now we just go here, so we press hide. So HIDE, and it says hide specific application. Go here, and now where it says hide, where it says finder, you press terminal. And when you press terminal, it will do this. It will try action, hide terminal in the background. So that's it. So now you just press quit, and now you can terminate. So now, if we actually add this command right here, which is now if we do this, now if we press play, or the play button, which is run, it will wait 20 seconds. Then it will, the 20 seconds, so in total this whole thing takes 50 seconds. So there you go. And now, there we go. And so now after 30 seconds, this will hide. So I might just put this to 10 seconds because no, that has to be at 20, because the reason why the pause at 20 seconds because I'm going to turn this into an Apple script. And so the Apple script I'm going to turn into a terminal file. So this allows me to basically run this at startup of the Mac. So if we just take this, and now this is in Keyboard Maestro, you say execute by script. You then turn it into a Apple script. You can turn it into a shell script. I'm going to turn it into an Apple script. So you turn to Apple script. You take the arguments right here, put here, and press copy. Then I'm going to go over to the software automator, which allows me to run this startup because Keyboard Maestro runs at then. So basically I'm going to show you this live. So if we go to new document, then we go into application, now we type in Apple, run Apple script, so run Apple script, and so we get this, highlight all this, press paste, so this is what this looks like. So now we go to file, save, file. We're gonna rename this real quick. And so, where are we gonna save this to? We're gonna save this into other. I'm gonna go into applications, apps. Don't want to save it just to normal app. Okay, so sorry, this is gonna take a little bit of time. So application. Then we're gonna save it in sort. Then we're gonna save it right here in apps. That was right. So now we're gonna rename this to OBS underscore fix. So just to save like that. So now we go here, press enter, and now we go to file, save, and it's in there. So now if we close this, now if we go back to applications, and now we go to apps, so now we have one here called OBS Fix. So now if we go to show, it's just streaming now. Now we just press exit, and that's how we quit. And so now we go here, we run the Apple script, and we press allow. So we press allow, and as you can see, the gear is working. And so that gear works. Since this gear is working, you see it says 0% completed, but Apple script is running. I mean, the software's running in Keyboard Maestro. So basically, now you see it's running in the background. So if you press exit, it won't just exit because of this. So that means when you're trying to exit and you're trying to use the computer, you have to when you're trying to exit and when you're trying to exit when you're just using the computer normally, you have to go up to here, click it, show, and exit OBS, or you can basically make another hot instance of that, which I'll show you now. So if you're running, let me show you. So if you're running OBS, like so. So OBS is here. So we're gonna go show. So okay, so now if it's running in the background like how it is, let's just go exit. Let's see, go here. I'm gonna show you this. So if we go Keyboard Maestro, then we go here. New, so now then type in quick underscore quit. Quit. Okay. So quick quit, so that's what it's called. So from here we just do new action. We go admin. So okay, so that worked better, honestly. I have another command. So give me a second. Hello guys, so going back into Keyboard Maestro. So one second, I change my mouse again. So basically, this is what I have. So quick quit. Go back to quick quit. So basically, it is try to application OBS to quit. On error message number, error number is equal to -128. Then keep calm and carry on. Else display dialog error message and end if and try. So basically, what this command does is it's an Apple script that will quit no matter if it quits on the error message of it just trying to quit. So basically, if this works properly, it should just quit. So I'm about to try it. So then I made that into a Apple script, and the Apple script is right here. So quit. And then I made it into a terminal app. So now it just quits while streaming. So it would just get rid of that. So that's if I need to exit. So if I'm not home and trying to stream and I have my MacBook with me, I can just press this button and it'll do a quick quit. And so again, you can do the same thing for Windows. You just need a you just need to like use the kill log command on Windows. But on macOS it's just like that. So when I restart my computer, it runs OBS Fix, which will run in the background, which then will start streaming to said computer that's right there. And when I'm done or I'm not at home, I can basically just press quick quit and it'll quick quit it immediately. Since I don't have a Stream Deck plugged into this computer normally, I can basically just press quick quit on my desktop and then it's done. And so this means if I wouldn't need a capture card here, because of with the capture card there, I can just with the capture card there, because I don't need a capture card hooked up into my computer, which means I save some like time. And the only capture card I would need is for my cameras. So that's that whole thing. So I'll show you a preview of how this works. Ignore. So it says it showed OBS quit it. So now we just go here. Restart. Now we go restart. And the Mac just booted. It takes 50 seconds, so in total the reason it's doing that is because of that thing right there. It needs to be replaced. So as you can see right here, it just booted. As you can see, that just booted to stream. So now I'm just gonna continue showing it while it does its thing. It takes 30 seconds. So now let me show you. If you press here on the Stream Deck, since this is my main recording machine, so as you can see, the screen is showing. So now I'll go back to here. It's switching. Like most of the stuff you wouldn't actually see in front of the screen, so this is just what I'm showing. So after that, the blacking isn't a part of it. The blacking is a part of that thing right there. So the switching is basically, I'll explain that in another video, but I've had to redo this setup mostly. So now if I want to quit, we just press quick quit. When we press quick quit, it runs the command and it quits OBS, and so it'll be ready for its thing. And if I ever need to dock my computer to the MacBook, if I ever need to dock my MacBook to the screen here without needing to and just need to like hook it up, I can just hook the one cable up to the Mac and have that hooked up there, and I have everything hooked up here and to that screen over there and that one over there. So yeah, but the quick quit one allows me to, my naming scheme is terrible, but basically I had to do this, so I could basically just quit that. So OBS actually quits. It's not running. So there's that. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, and hope you stay for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.